Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my English practice session. And in my last video, I was just narrating you the story of Ramayana, in which I have told you that there were the war between the Ravan's sons Akshay Kumar and Hanumanji. So finally, Akshay Kumar died. Now, when Indrajit came, and now Indrajit had just bounded Hanumanji with his Brahmastra, and he just took out him into the prison, and he just took Hanumanji into the court of Ravana. And there, when Ravana looked at Hanumanji and said, don't you know who I am? Don't you afraid of me? I am the conqueror of Triloka, and I am Ravana. So why have you killed my son Akshay Kumar? So and who sent you here? So Hanumanji said, I am the messenger of Ram, and when I was having my food, then your son came and start beating me. So in return of this, I have just beaten him, and he got died. And I am here in search of Mata Sita, and I found him in your Ashok Batika. So it's my humble request from you to return Mata Sita to Sri Ram, so that he will leave you. Otherwise, he is not going to leave you. So when Ravan listened this type of words, he became angry, and he ordered to set fire on the tail of Hanumanji. So Hanumanji, when listened about his order, he thought that the mind of Ravana weakened, and he just increased the size of his tail, and all the cloths and oils from this city has finished by wrapping their tail. And when they set the fire on Hanumanji's tail, then Hanumanji just jumped out from his court and flew here and there, and went to everywhere in Lanka, and they set fire. They just set fire on the Lanka, and all the Lanka city started burning with the fire. And except Hanumanji has left the Vibhishan's house, where there were the symbol of Shankh and Chakra. Also there were the plant of Tulsi. So he left only one house, that house belongs to Vibhishan. And when he set the fire into the entire Lanka, then they have just gone into the ocean to distinguish their tail, and they just distinguished it, and came back to Mata Sita and asked her permission. As Ramji has given me the permission Ramji has given me an symbol for you, please give me something, so that I can just show him, and I can tell him that I was there with Mata Sita and I have seen there. So Mata Sita had just given him the Chudamani, and they just taken it and just left the Lanka. So now our story will be from here. I'll narrate again tomorrow. Thank you.